Frustrated with your sleep? Does it seem like the harder you try, the worse you sleep? Are you tired of searching for answers and finding only more sleepless nights? Have you tried taking sleep supplements, sleeping aids, or prescription drugs and find you still can't sleep? What if solving insomnia didn't have to be so difficult? And what if how you've been trying to solve it has actually been what's been keeping you awake? Imagine not having anxiety about sleep, or having to rely on dangerous addictive sleeping pills, or continuing to waste any more precious time or energy tossing and turning. What would it be like to never again wake up feeling completely exhausted, frustrated, and confused about why you still can't sleep? At Sleep Science Academy, we found that it takes addressing sleep holistically to create life-changing results. Now, when you get the mind out of the way of the body, sleep happens naturally. Solving sleep takes more than just addressing the symptoms, which is why we help you address the root causes of insomnia, resulting in lifelong improvements. By pairing proven coaching methods backed by science with the most cutting-edge sleep technology, we'll help you solve your sleep so you can sleep the way you used to. That's the reason so many of our clients are overcoming months and years of insomnia within just the first few weeks of working with us. To learn more about the new strategy that's solving insomnia with science, click the link below and sign up for our next free sleep masterclass.